In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of installing Visual Studio Code on Windows. So let's initiate the tutorial. First, turn on your computer or a laptop. Then proceed to open the web browser you typically use. Upon launching your web browser, ensure a stable internet connection is established. Then simply enter Visual Studio Code download in the address bar. After the page finishes loading, click the first link at the top to visit the official Visual Studio Code website. The Windows download link is now visible. Click on it, and shortly, the download link will appear, enabling you to download it. Click on Start Download. After completing the download, locate and inspect your computer's download folder for the file. Here you can see the program file. Now click on the file and run it. Now click on the option of Agreement. Please decide if you want to create a desktop shortcut. If yes, click on the available option. The Visual Studio Code installation process is finished. Check your desktop for the application. Here, you will see that we have successfully installed Visual Studio on our computer. Now open it by clicking on the Visual Studio icon. Visual Studio is running seamlessly on our computer, free of errors, suggesting that this tutorial has been beneficial. Thus, we encourage you to like and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward and useful tutorials, as our upcoming video will explore Visual Studio and its valuable extensions in greater detail.